Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a pattern text effect on CapCut PC. You can use a white stock video or black stock video. I'm just going to use a white stock video for this one, and I'm going to select a black text for this one. I'm just going to type in the word pattern, and I'm going to adjust the font size a little bit. Select font and select any font that you want. I'm just going to use this one. Select both. I'm just going to adjust the duration a little bit. Oh, I can't on the white stock video, it's fine. Right click, create compound clip. You can freeze frame the white stock video and make it longer, but I'm not going to do that. You're going to then type in pattern in the stock videos, or you can find it yourself wherever you want, I guess. Select a pattern that you want to be in your text, like this one for instance, and I'm going to scale it up. Select the text, go to the blend mode, and you're going to then select the screen or the brighten one. And yeah, that is it. Now you have a patterned text effect. I feel like it would look a little bit better with a little bit of shadow or something, but yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!